Hello kids, welcome to Sheng Lessons!
Yay!
New learnings for today. We're going to learn to read sentences. Are you ready? Let's go! Remember to say the words after me as the ball moves in each word, okay? Let's go!
Hooray!
The sun shines bright in the sky. Again, the sun shines bright in the sky. The sun shines bright in the sky. Good job, kid. You got a star. I love to play with my dog. Again, I love to play with my dog. I love to play with my dog. Good job! Birds chirp happily on the tree. Birds chirp happily on the tree. Birds chirp happily on the tree. Wow, they're singing. Good job. The flower smells so sweet. Again, the flower smells so sweet. The flower smells so sweet. Wow! My favorite color is blue. Again, my favorite color is blue. My favorite color is blue. Very good. I enjoy eating pizza with my friends. Again, I enjoy eating pizza with my friends. I enjoy eating pizza with my friends. That's so yummy. The butterfly has beautiful wings. Again, the butterfly has beautiful wings. The butterfly has beautiful wings. So beautiful. I like to paint pictures of animals. I like to paint pictures of animals. I like to paint pictures of animals. Good job! The rain makes everything wet. Again, the rain makes everything wet. The rain makes everything wet. You need umbrella. My mom gives me a big hug. Again, my mom gives me a big hug. My mom gives me a big hug and I love it. Very good! You have so many stars! Thank you for reading with me. Don't forget to keep on practicing. It will make you perfect in reading. Bye-bye! Till next time! See ya!